Introducing the smallest high bay fixture on the market, the TritonPro Compact Linear High Bay by Orion Energy Systems. Available in various size lengths of 1, 2, 3, and 4 feet, the compact linear high bay fixture offers multiple configurations for each size. Each fixture is sensor ready and can be easily adjusted on site to your color preference, either 4000 Kelvin or 5000 Kelvin, and lumen output ranging from 9,000 to 60,000 with up to 147 lumens per watt. The versatile impact-resistant polycarbonate lens is available in 3 distinct optic configurations, making it perfect for installation in a multitude of new construction and retrofit applications in commercial, industrial, and retail settings. The steel body and aluminum extrusions allow for optimal thermal performance, making the fixture operate in ambient temperatures up to 55 degrees Celsius. Designed for surface, pendant, and suspended installation, the compact size frees installers time and valuable ceiling real estate. Kelvin settings are field selectable, and a pre-cut knockout makes sensor installation simple, saving you time and money. The battery backup option can be installed at our factory or on-site with our field installation kits. Weighing less than 10 pounds, the compact linear high bay can be shipped in single units or in bulk packs, ensuring ease of on-site handling and minimizing waste after installation. Looking to plan and order the right compact high bay solution for your application? Visit orionlighting.com, where you'll find helpful resources such as specifications and certifications, wiring and field installation instructions, photometric planning tools, and more. At Orion, we manufacture and support the highest performing LED lights in the industry, providing bottom line value. We help our customers achieve sustainability goals by reducing their carbon footprint and promoting environmentally responsible practices.